We also want to check the oil level in the transmission of the vehicle. It's very simple to do. There is a screw that you simply remove to make sure fluid comes out of that overflow screw. Just take your ratchet, you loosen this little level screw, and what you want to do is keep a rag here, because if it's at the proper level, a little bit of oil is going to come out of that screw. If it starts to come out, we're going to simply put the screw right back in. See how it came out? That oil, that's what you want. As long as a little bit of oil comes out like you see there, your transmission has plenty of oil in it. You can also check the consistency of the oil, make sure it's nice and clear. You don't want it like a milk or a cream color. That would indicate that something has contaminated that oil and you'd want to change that oil. But as long as that oil comes out when we remove that level check screw, you are good and we are done here. If you need to add oil, it is straight 30 weight oil. It's not a heavy gear oil in this particular model. Check your manual to make sure you have the proper weight oil when and if you have to add oil.